An ointment contains 25 grams of solid ingredient in 750 grams of ointment base. Another 500 grams of the ointment base is then added to this product, and we're being asked to calculate the concentration of the diluted ointment as a percentage strength, a ratio strength and an amount strength. I would start by analysing what the final product is. It's still going to contain 25 grams of solid ingredient because we're not adding more ingredient, we're only adding more base. This 25 grams is going to be contained within 750 grams plus 500 grams of base, so it's going to be 25 grams in 1250 grams. I would then set up a table, and in this table we're going to write in the figures that we know so we can identify what we're trying to calculate by using proportional sets. So I need 3 rows and I need 5 columns, and what we know is the amount of ingredient in grams and the amount of base also in grams. I tend to write units into so that as I go along I can keep a track of what exactly these figures mean. So the amount of ingredient is 25 grams and the amount of base is 1250 grams. We then want to calculate an amount strength as milligrams per grams, and this is important to note that it's milligrams per grams, not grams per grams. We need to hold that thought and make sure we use the right units. Then we need percentage strength, and finally we want to calculate the ratio strength. So the amount strength, we need the number of milligrams per gram. So our known figure there is 1 gram. We're trying to calculate the amount per 1 gram. With the percentage strength, that is the number of grams per 100 grams. So our known figure there is 100. And for our ratio strength, we know that's going to be 1 in a certain amount. So the black figures there are what we know. Now we're going to turn our attention to calculating the figures for our answers. So the amount strength, our missing figure is this box here, which we'll call X. If we set up our proportional sets, we have X over 1 is equal to 25 over 1250. Now, alert here. 25 grams. We want an answer in milligrams. So we want to convert the 25 grams to milligrams by multiplying by 1,000. So we get 25,000 divided by 1250 equals 20. So our amount strength is 20 milligrams per gram. We now need to calculate the percentage strength. So percentage strength is the number of grams per 100 grams. So we don't need to convert anything because we're already in grams. So we're trying to calculate this box here, which we'll call Y. So we get Y over 100 is equal to 25 over 1250. We rearrange our equation, so we get Y equals 25 times 100 divided by 1250, which means that Y is equal to 2. So the answer there is 2%. Our attention now turns to the ratio strength, which is this box here. I'm going to use X again because Z, I don't like using it, looks like a 2 sometimes when you write it down. So this time I'm going to set up my proportional sets the other way round. So we're going to have X over 1 is equal to 1250 divided by 25. So X equals 50. So our ratio strength is 1 in 50.